Example for weak axis bending or minor axis bending. Okay, determine the available strength of ASTM A992 W300 by 79 beam loaded on its minor axis. The beam is simply supported on a span of 4.5 meter and raised only at the ends. Pag sinabi natin available, so pinapako sa atin dyan yung dalawang design. LRFD saka ASD. Okay. Balikan natin yung discussion natin dito. Sabi natin dito, makukuha natin yung nominal moment for weak axis bending. Depende kung compact yung shape. So, check muna natin kung compact yung ating shape. Parang pagkuha lang din dun sa flexure, ano? Una, check for compactness. Compactness, ano? So, flange muna. So, pag-check kung compact, ang criteria natin dito yung width to thickness ratio. So, for IE section, element natin dito 5, di ba? Una to, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, for flange, ito yung check natin. Kaya BF over 2TF. Ano yung base ng flange? 254. Have 254 over 2. TF is 14.6. For that, we have 8.7. Ang criteria natin dito is 0.38 square root of E over Fy. This should be less than. So, ano yung 0.38? Alam natin yung E, 200,000. Fy is, yan ba Fy na nilagay? ASTM A992. Pag ASTM A992, that is 345 megapascal. And this is equal to 9.15. Since na-satisfy natin yung criteria, that is greater than 8.7, therefore, this is compact. Compact yung flange. How about yung web? For web, we have H over TW. Ano yung H natin dito? Etong part lang na to, no? Itong part lang yung H. So, pag given yung K-design, kasi naka-fillet ito na ganyan, K-design natin, K-des. So, yan lang. Ito lang yung H. Pero pag hindi giniven, pwede nyo lang gamitin tong D over D minus 2TF. So, for our H, that is D, which is 307, minus 2 ng thickness ng flange, 14.6, over TW, which is 8.8 millimeter. Okay. So, we will have 31.6 as an answer for this. Ang criteria natin dito, kung natatandaan nyo, that is 3.76. Para ma-check natin kung compact. E over Fy. So, balikan nyo na lang din yung discussion natin before sa flexure. Kasi, yun lang din naman yung criteria niya. 3, 4, 5. And this is 90.5. So, dahil na-meet yung criteria, okay, therefore, compact. Since both compact yung web natin saka yung flange, so therefore, yung section natin is compact. Since sa flange, Therefore, the section is compact. Pabalik tayo dito. Pag daw compact yung section, asan? For compact shapes, ang MNY ay equal to MPY, or that is also equal to FYZ. Okay, so let us solve. And should be less than or equal to 1.6 FYSY. Okay, ano na ulit? MNY. So, MPY equal to FYZY equal less than or equal to 1.6 FYSY. Okay. FY natin is 345. ZY is 476.9 times 10 raised to 3. Given yan. Ito po. Should be less than or equal to 1.6 345 SY is 314.6. Okay, so what is 345 times this? 345 is 164.5 times 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter. O check natin sa criteria na to. Which is 173.7 times 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter. Okay? Dahil mas malaki, so therefore, MNY ay equal to 164.5 times 10 raised to 6. Diba okay tayo dito? So, that is how you solve for MNY. Pag compact. So, pag hindi compact, sundan nyo lang itong formula na to. Okay?